You're on.
So here I am, the first time staying in a TRU by Hilton. And of course, the first thing I have to do is check out the roller shades. So first off, looking at this bracket, you can obviously tell this is not something that we provided. And I did look up before I left to see if we had done this TRU in Orangeburg, South Carolina, and we did not. So, and this is, if I remember correctly, this is not our pattern either. This, you know, it's interesting thing is, see, this one works nicely. The ball stops are in the right place. It stops just below the window, and this protruding sill doesn't interfere with it coming down. And it is the waterfall over the top for the shear. But wait till you see the blackout. First off, look at this CST. I mean, this one's installed properly. This is how much slack you should have. But this one, you know, a kid could easily get their head in there.
Or an adult.
So, yeah, really. So let's pull up the blackout. And it operates properly up top. Again, this is obviously not our product. It's the Fascia is, I don't know if it's Hunter Douglas or what, but you know, the Fascia is different. The side channels are different. And notice this, all the way around the window, these are caulked. All the way around along the bottom here. This is all caulked in. Now watch what happens when I lower the blackout shade. Oops. Somebody obviously, first off, did not adjust the ball stops properly.
Decent ball.
The shade is not even attempting to go into the sill channel. It's just getting caught on the back side of it. And if I take it down right to where it touches on the right hand side here, this is if I just stop it here so it doesn't bunch up, it's touching the bottom here, but over here we have a 1/2 inch gap. I can stick my finger in there. So, I thought that was funny.
3 minutes.
Look at how that bows out. That's horrible. See all this up in here? Oh. Anyways, this is our first stop on our trip in a TRU in Orangeburg, South Carolina.